It's graduation time, and a new crop of professionals are heading to Wall Street. One recent graduate might have an advantage thanks to his investing club at the University of Dayton. We're happy to welcome back David Kudla of Mainstay Capital, who is also an adjunct professor at Dayton and funds the club's $1 million portfolio. Also joining us is Alex Winrich, who graduated on Sunday. Dave, welcome back. Alex, great to see you. Congrats on the graduation.
Thank you. Appreciate it.
So tell us about this. Dave funded your fund, your investment club, with $1 million.
That's right. Yep. Early March of 2013, Dave approached us because we had expressed an interest in forming a fund that really could take advantage of global multi-asset strategies. So he approached us and told us that he would give us a certain amount of money. And right now, the fund has a market value of over $1.1 million.
Dave, why'd you try and do this?
I'm looking for ways I can give back. I was lucky enough to go to a private college on a scholarship. I was lucky enough to get a fellowship to Stanford to get my master's degree. Now I want to give back.
Why these guys? Why Alex?
I grew up in the Dayton area, went to the University of Dayton. I run the RISE conference, the largest student investment conference in the world.
It's amazing. That
Stephanie has been at the last 2 years. And it's a lot of fun. I enjoy it. I enjoy working with the students like Alex, and I've got a lot of years to give back. I'm going to do that.
These are some smart kids, too. I mean, I looked at your portfolio that you and the other members of your club made your stock picks in. Holly Frontier, Oil and Gas ETF, the XOP, Consumer Staples ETF, ProShares Ultra Short Yen. You're making some complex trades.
That's right. That's right. I'll start off with Holly Frontier. We like Holly Frontier for a variety of reasons. First, they have best-in-class assets in terms of refinery equipment quality. Also, location. They're in a location where they can source from several different pipelines. And additionally, we think they're in a nice spot to, in terms of refinery capacity, we think that oil production is going to outpace refinery capacity in the future. So our refineries are in a nice spot to take advantage of that.
What about some other plays within your portfolio?
Consumer staples. We just invested in an AlphaDex fund for consumer staples, and that represents a defensive shift from growth to more value. We especially like the fund because it has a nice mid-cap portfolio where it kind of can take advantage or has a little more stability over small cap, but can also take advantage of more expansionary opportunities.
Scott, how is Steve Weiss going to get the seat back?
I was just thinking the same thing.
Okay. Alex, I don't know.
And these guys are outperforming their benchmark by 120 basis points since inception.
Yep.
So you've just taken a job in New York.
That's right.
You can't say which firm yet, but congratulations on that. We're going to certainly be looking out for you. What do you ultimately want to do you think?
I think that any finance and economics major, going, at least the ones that I know from my university experience, the direction is always Wall Street. I think that everyone wants to end up, everyone's always pursuing that Wall Street dream. So I think that's where I want to end up.
All right. Congrats. Best of luck. We're going to look out for you. You come back.
Great job, Alex.
Thank you very much.
Dave, and congratulations on what you're doing.
Thanks.
Appreciate it very much. Again, David Kudla. Coming up.